Hello everyone, it's Douglas with the Gardener's Notebook, and each year as this pomegranate continues to grow, I think we're on our fifth or sixth year here maybe. I'm probably underestimating that, but each year we get a few more pomegranates. This one limb is a little heavily laden here. I'll have to prune him back to make sure it doesn't break off. You can see I see at least 3 pomegranates there, almost ready, getting really close. Seeing about maybe 10 or so on this pomegranate tree. Now I am trying to keep this as a shrub so it's easier to harvest. So as you can see, it's got quite a bit of height on it, and I'll probably bring that back at least a third, perhaps a half, and select some of the strongest stems down here to keep for future growth. Our neighbor has a very large pomegranate tree, sort of over there behind that apple tree there, and it can be very difficult to harvest because it is totally full height, and I'd prefer to keep this one where you can easily get to the fruit. So I'll let you know when we finally do pick these, and I do love them. They go into salads and elsewhere and taste really great. So this was an addition from a free tree giveaway here in Los Angeles, and I picked a fruit tree because I wanted something to produce, and this is what we got.